Dhaka is a modern megacity with origins dating from 500 BC to 200 BC. The history of Dhaka region begins with the existence of Urbani settlements that were ruled by Gupta Empire, Gauda Kingdom, Pala Empire, and Chandra dynasty before passing to the control of the Sena dynasty in the 10th century CE. After the reign of Sena dynasty, the region was ruled by the Hindu Deva dynasty of Baikrampur. Dhaka was successively ruled by the Turkic and Afghan governors descending from the Delhi Sultanate, followed by the Bengal Sultanate, before the arrival of the Mughals in 1608. The city became proto-industrialist and declared capital of the Mughal Bengal and commercial capital of the Mughal India. The Dhaka natural riverine port has a recorded existence since the 16th century CE. Dhaka's strategic riverine location in Bengal made it a hub for Eurasian traders, including Armenians, the Portuguese, French, Dutch, and British. The bustling old city was known as the Venice of the East. After Mughals, British ruled the region for 200 years until the independence of India in 1947. After the independence of Bangladesh in 1971, Dhaka became the capital of the new state. Do subscribe for more videos. Thank you.